Hello, I'm Matthew D. Groves, the developer of Monostock Portfolio. I'm going to show you how I use my app to keep track of how much money I'm losing on my stocks. So here's the installed app. I'll click on the penny icon. When you first start my app, you'll see that there's already a preloaded sample portfolio. Click on it and you'll see a list of positions for companies related to mobile tech. Now it's gone out and hit a web service for this information, so this is up to date as of right now. So I can see that I've got 6 stocks here that are in green, which means I'm making a profit on them, and 2 stocks in red, which means I'm losing money on them. Notice that it's showing ticker, today's change, gain, loss, and the time of the last quote. Later on I'll configure the app to show some different information. So let's hit the back button and go back to the main screen. I'm going to add a new portfolio. Clicking on this button, I'm going to call it Demo Video Stocks and hit Save. So now it's added to the main screen. I'll click on it so we can start adding some positions to it. So I'll click on Add Position here. For my portfolio, I feel like buying some Harley Davidson, so its ticker is HOG for HOG. I'll buy 500 shares of that at $40 a share and click on Save. And it goes out to the web and sees that even though I'm losing money today, overall I'm profitable with Harley Davidson, $85 gain. So I'll add one more position, one of my favorite companies, Coca-Cola, and I'll buy 500 shares of them at $70 a share. Click on Save, and I shouldn't be losing money on Coke. I must have entered something wrong here. So maybe I did a typo. I'll long click on Coke and I'll click Edit, and I can see that, oh yeah, I actually meant to enter $60 a share. Click on Save. Okay, that looks more like it. So now I'm gaining money on Coke and getting money on Harley Davidson. So later on, maybe I decide to sell Harley Davidson. So I don't need to track it anymore in my portfolio, so I'll long click on this and hit Delete. And now it's gone from my portfolio. Let's go back to the main screen by hitting the back button. I don't really need the sample portfolio anymore, so I'll long click on it and then click Delete, and it's gone from the main screen. And I want to rename my portfolio to something better, so I'll long click again and then click Rename, and instead I'll call this My Favorite Stocks and click Save, and its name has been changed. Finally, I'll click on the menu button and hit Config. Here I can choose what columns of data I want to show in my portfolios. By default, you'll see change, today's change, gain, loss, ticker, and the time of the last quote. There's some other options here too, volume and price and such, so I'll click on volume, check that, hit Save. Configuration's been updated. So now I'll go back to the main screen, click on My Favorite Stocks, and now I'll see the Coca-Cola quote again with the volume column added. And that's the quick demo. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact me. My email is webmaster@mgroves.com. That's MGROVES. My Twitter is also mgroves. Thank you for watching.